We guide you through how to delete all messages on Discord in the fastest and CPest way possible. First thing you need to know is that Discord doesn't allow bulk deleting your own messages with one click. But there are clean methods you can use. If you want to clear an entire channel, the easiest way is to delete the channel itself. Just right click the channel name, choose delete channel, and then create a new one with the same settings. If you prefer to keep the channel, you can also clone it by right clicking and selecting clone channel. Then delete the old version to remove all messages instantly. For individual messages you've seen or sent, you can manually delete by hovering over each message and clicking the three dots, then selecting delete message. For moderators or admins who need to clear spam, boots like Dino, Carlboot, or MEE6 allow you to purge a specific number of messages at using commands like purge 50 or purge 100. Once the clean is done, your channel will look fresh, organized, and ready for new conversations.